Bora Bora is located on a dormant volcano island, set on one of the world's most beautiful and crystal clear lagoons, colored in a million shades of blue. Like most of the islands of French Polynesia, Bora Bora is surrounded by a ring of coral reef, also known as an atoll. Known for gorgeous luxury resorts and numerous adventurous activities, a Bora Bora vacation has something for everyone. Whether you like getting your adrenaline pumping or prefer a relaxing day at the beach, the Bora Bora things to do options are endless. The clear, turquoise waters of the South Pacific Ocean and the surrounding coral reef make for some memorable scuba diving with. The tallest point on the island is the breathtaking Mount Otemanu at Bora Bora's center, perfect for those looking to explore beyond the sandy beaches. An excellent place to swim, Matira Beach boasts warm, shallow waters that are perfect for a leisurely day of snorkeling. Bora Bora Island will make you feel love at first sight.